In this quick tutorial, you'll see how to create a new case file on your Mac using TrialPad. Starting on your Mac desktop, create a folder to hold files related to your matter. In this example, we will create a folder called Smith v. Jones. Next, open TrialPad, and you will be presented with the Document Picker window. This is where you can open an existing case file or create a new one. Open the folder you created on your desktop. Then click on New Document to save the case file to this location. In the Template Picker, select Empty Case File and give your case file a name, such as Smith v. Jones. Then click Create New Case File. Your case file will be saved to this location and prompt you to import evidence. You can access your case file from this folder on your desktop. You can also move the folder to another location on your Mac or save it to iCloud Drive.